Alright guys, day 2 of the snowstorm, day 2 of the breaking in point. I put in 4.7 miles right now, something light. So basically we in training again, and we still got snow outside. This gas station was effed up last night, but they got it together. They had to spend them dollars. If I had one of them shovels, them big shovels in front, I would have hustled. Them guys ain't hustled that kind of money in a long time. With them big shovels, I know them guys was like, oh, it's just snowing, let that shit keep on coming, because all these little driveways and gas stations, yo, they was just effed up last night. And now, you see what it is? Dude was like, I guess they was charging $400 a gas station. So that's a lick, kid. Yo, they came up $400 a spot. One a what? Yo, that was a big lick, people. A big lick. A big lick. Oh, you try to like get cute with that little? Should I went through the middle? I don't know why I try to go through this. Over here is kind of a little effed up. I try to show off a little bit a lot. The all-wheel drive. I try to show off the all-wheel drive a little bit, people. Yeah, but yeah, man, they charge $400 a station. That's crazy. So now we got some snow coming down, but it's hard now because it sat through that cold ass. It sat in the cold all night. So it's kind of out here. It's slippery. Look at them buses. Them buses got them chains on. It's really slippery if you don't got no all-wheel drive out here, people. I don't know if I'm seeing any cars out here. I don't care where you live. Or, I seen some BMWs actually last night, because BMWs is all-wheel drive. So I guess all-wheel drive cars is cool. Yeah, let me rephrase that. Front-wheel drive cars is cool, but I don't know if y'all gonna quite be able to do it out here. Because right now, as I said, I'm out here early, and the only thing I'm seeing is trucks, buses, everybody's buried, super buried. What is this? This is a car? Oh, no, this is that's a little Jeep. Minivans. I want a minivan coming all-wheel drive. I'm not sure. They maybe do make minivans in all-wheel drive. Look at this dude, can't even wait. Like, that shit wasn't that serious, homie. That wasn't that serious. Minivans, he hustling that, he hustling that Uber, so he just don't care, but, yeah, I don't know if minivans come in all-wheel drive. Real talk. I really don't know. But I'm not seeing no cars out here, people, as I said. No cars. The streets is crazy out here, man. It's crazy. Alright, so I gotta check engine light on, so we gotta see what that is. We really gotta see what that part is of our test run. Get back and run that report to see why we got that and see what it is. But yeah, people, yeah, outside is just, whew. It's looking nasty out here. Nasty. Guys walking with the shovel. I see y'all. They're about to hustle blocks, I guess. They're about to hustle them blocks. What's that? Security? This guy got a Prius out here. What the hell he doing? He got the strobes in it. What's going on here with that Prius? I don't know. I don't know what he doing. I don't know. Yeah, everything is crazy out here today. Well, early this morning, it's about like 6 o'clock right now. I think when it get more light, then the salt trucks is gonna come again. We got the delivery truck. Them dudes need chains on their tires. Them dudes is wildin'. We don't need no jackknife. That's what the truck, when they be spinning out, they call it jackknife. Everybody walking outside with a shovel, straight hustling. Shovel. What's police? He fishtailing. What he doing? He drifting? Oh, y'all ain't see that one. It's either he lost it. Or, oh, they ain't even hit right here. This dude was like, he not paying that money. He was like, I don't care. He ain't even pay that money. That's crazy. And this is a little slippy right here, so they need to hit this right here again, because I feel it. Because, after that snow accumulates on the tire, it builds up like a big snowball around your tire. Oh, man, damn Toyota, like they did y'all dirt. Damn, nobody even come service. Damn, nobody even come and hit that. That's crazy. All them dealers, nobody even hit the sidewalk. They stayed in their goddamn crib, all them salesmen. Should I brought all your salesmen out, let them shovel some goddamn snow. Crazy. Oh, this gas station buried. Ain't nobody come outside here. Yeah, it's crazy. But at least they hit the main highway, as I said. Yeah, so back to the training. So, all right, so right now I got 5.9 miles. I got the check engine light. This is what it's about. So, put it on the scanner. Let's see what comes up. And, check all my fluids, check all my coolant. And as I said, I'm just coasting. Not too much pressure. I gotta wait till I hit that, when I hit maybe about 100 miles, then I'm gonna do a oil swap again. Swap out the oil again, just to get out all them whatever, maybe little garbage that, from the previous, when I took everything out, that maybe fell in there, whatever. So definitely looking forward to doing that oil swap. I had to get Pennzoil this time because all those don't be having them sales. I think what I paid for the Pennzoil, I paid I don't wanna lie, for a 5-quart and a filter, I think was $40. Yeah, that was going for like $40. And then I had to get additional 3 bottles because when I put the 6, I noticed it was a little bit, it still was a little bit low. So, I topped it off and put a little bit more. So I end up total, I got 8 bottles of oil, but I didn't use 8 bottles, I used maybe like 6.5. So just trying to look. Got this dude behind me like he wanna fly, but we not doing that. We coasting through this, buddy. I don't know if y'all can see him back there. He not on me, but it's all good. I don't know what these dudes is doing. Yeah, so yeah, so as I said, just that's what I'm doing. I'm breaking in. I ain't really. Oh, something happening. Let me pull over. Something happening. So basically, I got a flashing light, as y'all can see. Traction control off. We running with no track. And all right, guys, let me monitor this. I'll be right back. All right, guys, I'm back again. So just to show y'all what's going on, flashing light. Traction control, anti-skids. This is part of the test run. This is the stuff I wanted to see. What the hell is going on here? All right, lady, move out the way. Move out the way. All right, let me see if this cut off here. If they oh, okay, right here, move. Don't even try it, cause I got, whoa, lady, don't do it. So I feel a little hesitation. I'll be running with no track. I feel a little vibration. You'll see it went off, it came back on. So it's like an on and off thing. Cause it just went back off, it came back on. And check engine light came on first, and now we got the flashing. And I remember this flashing from last time when I had the previous issue with the whole cylinder 7 joint. So what I'm gonna do, I just wanna stop for a moment, right? And I just want to feel how I'm feeling, how the vehicle feeling. Little vibration. Let's put it in park for a second. Anti-skid traction control came back on. Feel the vibration. I don't know, it could be the knock too. Who knows? I ain't changed the knock sensor. But I still got the flashing light with no indication of nothing else. Flashing check engine light. Right? So this is, as I said, this is cool, because this is, as I said, when I put it in drive now the traction stability, it kicks off, basically. All right, so let's see, and no more flashing, right? Okay. All right, let's get back coasting. It's getting a little chilly in here. Let's get back going. And let's see if it's going to correct itself. Or not. We got police back here. I don't know what's going on back there. Yeah, these streets is I guess that in front of me gotta be a Subaru. Gotta be like an Outback or something. Or maybe a Toyota. All-wheel drive. All right, my guy, the sidewalk was clear, my guy. You should have jumped on that sidewalk. You out here in the street with the big boys. Oh, he going down that hill. That shit looks scary as hell. If you don't be careful, he go twist. All right, but this is kind of where I'm at right now. this is the indication I'm getting through the break-in point, and I'm gonna throw it on the scanner and see what comes up. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all after I get everything on the scanner. Alright, YouTube, you know what's funny? I forgot to put on my mic. So I did a whole video and I ain't have my mic. So I'm gonna have to run through this again. Cataclean had a P0430 code on the Escalade, same bank tool catalytic converter. As I was saying before, I had this code on this truck ever since I got this truck. So I always thought it was an O2 sensor. So when you get that bank 2 code, I always thought it was an O2 sensor. But apparently, it looked like it's not, because I put OEM O2 sensors in it, and this code still popped up this morning in my test run, right? So I decided to get that that Cataclean because I was just online. I love additives. Sometimes additives work than, you know, you having to replace a part. So you try Cataclean additives, and basically restores, maintain your exhaust manifold fuel system. And basically it says if you got like a quarter of a tank, drop it in there, and I think it says something about 10 to 15 miles. Drive normally for 10 to 15 miles, then refuel, right? So telling me do 10 to 15 miles, right? Then refuel. All right, it says refuel, but it doesn't say fill up the tank. I don't know, it just says refuel. So I'm gonna try it, see what it is, because I believe from memory that it's this side right here. I was able to see that strainer because I took the whole manifold, every goddamn thing out. So it was a strainer that was looking a little bit dirty. That's giving me maybe this continuous problem. So hopefully this do what they do, it break it up, cleans it up, and we don't gotta worry about it. Hopefully that problem is triggering other codes in Renzel to run janky, but it's running good. But it's, you know, as I said, still a little hesitation, still a little bit of whatever, because I got a break-in. We got a breaking point right now after doing heart surgery, brain surgery, you know what I mean, knee surgery, everything. So, all right, so basically I'm gonna get back with y'all. I'm about to hit the road, and we gonna just put some miles on it. Catch y'all in a few.